Okay, well this is what happens whenever I've been working on that lock, that SS6K for too long, and I just want to feel, a sense of satisfaction from anywhere. These are little bitty cabinet locks from a thrift store. So let's pick them. Little tiny wafer locks. Let's see. That's it. It's done. Cool. Next one. Oh, yeah, I guess I've got this little, it's a little, cabinet lock or something. I guess you're supposed to install it in some way that comes out to keep a drawer closed or something. But, easy peasy. There you go. I gotta pick it back now. Maybe. There's only 3 wafers in there. It's not a big deal. Oh, and this one's higher quality, and because it tells you. Same thing, a little different, not by much. Let's go. Where is it? There you go. Only tricky part is finding those little skinny wafers with the pick. But, I get it stuck. Pick it again, bonus round. Just the one. So, yeah, these are also like super easy to rake. I'm sure. Like it's already unlocked. Okay, let's turn it back, lock it fully, make sure it wasn't just get back in there. Make sure it wasn't just still chilling in the unlocked state. Let's go. Some of these wafer locks are just fun. For like feeling really efficient when it's not you, it's just the lock is bad. But it can still be fun. There, a little jiggle. That front one gets stuck right there for some reason. These other ones, let's see. Do I need a tensioner? No, I don't. So really just jam anything up there and turn. And that's great. That's all I needed. All right, back to the 6K grind.